In the silence of the night, I thought I was all alone, but your gentle voice kept calling out to me, do not be afraid, I am here.
I've walked through the darkest roads, my heart was broken, my faith grew weak. Troubles came like a raging storm, I thought there was no one left to help me. I cried out, Lord, where are you? Only tears flowed from deep within my soul, Lord. But while I waited and prayed, I heard your voice saying, I love you.
Even if this world should change, your love will never fade away. Though I fall again and again, your mighty hand lifts me up. You never leave me, Lord, you hold me close. Through every tear and every trial, you are the light that guides my way. You never leave me, I believe every word you say. Through the winds and raging seas, you are my shelter forever. Never leave me. Never leave me.
Lord, you are with me. Now I stand because of your strength, not because of my own. My wounds have become my lessons and my darkness has turned into light. I know that even when I am weak, even when I am weak, your love will never end. Every single day I give you praise because you are the faithful God. You're our big soul.
You never leave me, Lord, you hold me close together. Until the very end of my life, I'll forever praise your holy name. Through every trial and every storm, God never leaves us, He never leaves.